Hey everybody, welcome to our first Java tutorial. Today we're going to start making a really basic calculator in Java, and it is going to be something like this. It's very basic, calculator works very well, and it is just going to give you an idea how you can create a panel or frame, how you can use a swing library. And I'm going to use Eclipse. If you want to know how you can download Eclipse, you need to go eclipse.org and click downloads up here, and the second link you need to click it, downloading and install it. After you install it, you'll see the Eclipse editor, and first of all I'm going to create a new project. I will click Java, you'll say next, and I'm gonna name it YouTube calculator. And after I name it YouTube calculator, I will click finish. Perfect. And after I create my project, I'm gonna create a new class, which is going to be my main class. Okay, so I hope you can see that. I'm gonna name it calculator main, and I'm going to click this public static void main link down there. I'm gonna click finish. So this is going to be our main class, but our main class is not going to do many complex stuff. It's going to be the main class to make it work. Okay, I'm going to create another class which is going to be our class what we're going to do everything in. So I name it calculator user interface, and I'm just going to click finish this time. I'm not going to click that button to make it the main class. So okay, so I'm going to the method, and I will say this is I. Perfect. First of all, I have to import. I'm going to use a swing class. So first of all, I have to import swing library, which is going to be JavaX swing dot start. Okay. Perfect. So I have to create a new frame, which is going to be JFrame. I'm going to name it frame. Now we'll say new JFrame. So you can say here calculator. And I'm gonna create a new I'm gonna use panel. I will say new J panel, right? And I want to have a flow layout. I want to use flow layout for that. So just say new flow layout. Okay. Now it is time to create a text area. You can use text, but I'm gonna use text area. It's going to be easier. So text area. So it's a text area. You have to give numbers for rows and columns. I'm gonna do like this, 120. Okay, I will create buttons. J button, and I'm gonna say one new J button, and I will say one. I'm going to copy it. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Right? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. After that, you have to change this, of course. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what we need else, we need operators. I'm sorry. So this is going to be at. This is going to be sub for substitution. This is going to be multiply. I will say multi, and this is going to be white, I'll say div, and we have to have one equal. So this is going to be, I will say, AQ. I think we are done here. Okay, so we have to add these buttons and text into our panel. First of all, we have to make our frame visible. Oops. Sorry, my computer is slow right now. Set visible, I will say true. I'm gonna set size. Sorry, I'm saying frame set size 150, which is pixels. 200, 250 or 200, and I'm gonna say set default close operator. The X button or maximize button on the right top corner of the frame on the Windows, right? So I will say JFrame dot exit on close. Okay, perfect. And I am going to add my panel to my frame. Okay, we can really try right now to run it. No, we forget something. I have to tell you. I'm sorry, this is my mistake. So our calculator main class is going to extend to calculator UI, right? And I have to behind that calculator UI, I'm gonna say and it's going to be new calculator UI. Oh, sorry, calculator UI. So, and we're gonna use that UI method into n. Perfect. N is a constructor, UI is a method. So we have reach UI from the main method. So now it's going to work. So we can see our frame and panel. So we didn't add the buttons and text yet, but we're going to do it in the next tutorial. Okay, see you in next tutorial, guys.